today. This is the test video for the Nogginsroams channel. So basically what I'm doing today is having a wander around the flat, trying not to fall over everything, checking out some angles, seeing how the selfie stick works, trying to avoid the fan. And so this is set on a video widescreen, and it is... Lord, don't fall asleep when he goes on about this camera stuff and all that. I know they all do it, just don't worry about it, alright? It'll perk up. It's going to be a travel vlog. Also, all the other like sort of camera intelligent screen settings, so I haven't adjusted anything, so this is why I'm using this as a trial. Now to me this looks like I'm like spending my time looking up in the air, but unfortunately that has to do with where my glasses focus. But I'll have to learn just to look at it with a bit of blur if I'm going to get more of a straight view, but that's fine. So we could do something like, who's on the channel today? Who could it be? Who could it be, everyone? Who do you think's on the channel? Let's have a look, let's have a look. Who is it? How are you? I'm just coming to help out in the video. You right here, mate? Nice. And we're going for a viewing now. I have seen these paintings before, but I think some of them are exceptionally good, so you know, bear with me. Art is subjective, as they say. See what you think. He's an idiot. What's he talking about? This is Annalie. Wonderful Annalie. You beaut, mate. You beaut. Beautiful Annalie. TV blew up yesterday. It's a little bit annoying, but what do? You know, TV blows up. You improvise. Media-based resilience. So our current setup is this little, now that's the other thing, I've got this little camera lens in, a little protector, so I want to see how annoying that's going to be. Or I'll have to attach it to something, maybe to a lanyard, so that I don't lose it. Anyway, do a quick tour of the house, quick little walk outside, all good as they say, blah blah blah. These are a fine pair of shorts, some of Kmart specials, no big W actually. Beautiful hat. Now there, the other thing I'm going to have to learn to modulate, I guess, depending on the environment, is how loudly to talk. So at the moment the only background noise is the fan, so if I stand under the fan, it's not very loud, but how does it affect? And how does it affect me when I move away, the camera away from my face? He's an idiot. What's he talking about? So, the selfie shot. I guess you just have to talk up a bit. Maybe that. Maybe there's no microphone at all. Who knows? No worries. Anyway, so this is like a kind of coming up to 5 minutes. I think I'll go all the way up to 5 minutes. Now, yeah, me again. Obviously it ain't 5 minutes, got all that wrong, so that's saying I'm going to work on. Interesting here. Let's have a look, see what we can see. We have got... Don't forget to tell them about the travel vlog. This is for a travel vlog. We're going to be doing a travel vlog. It's going to be wicked. Awesomeness. So I couldn't show you Brisbane without showing you South Bank Pool. South Bank Pool is absolutely awesome. It's actually a relief today that it's a little bit overcast. But it is just such a nice spot. So yeah, and it's all free as well. There's free barbecues, toilets, changing rooms, water, play facilities. There's just so much on offer in Brisbane. Awesome. Join me, if you will, over the next months, years, and we will do some roaming together. I'm so excited, so looking forward to it. Oh, shivers down the spine. It's going to be awesome, everyone. So I'm going to leave it there for today. Hope you got a bit of a flavour what's to come. You know, you've seen me having a laugh, seen me having a joke, seen me making a fool of myself, and that's really how I like to live my life. So awesome. Nogginsroams out.